You can have the product in 6 different color. You buy the product in stainless steel, and you can have a color kit that it comes as a separate stuff. What does it mean? I mean, again, what's the benefit for our users is you can choose a color, you can change it after, I don't know, 6 months, a year, or whatever, without changing all the range. So it's quite flexible. If you, especially if you move, if you're taking your range with you, hopefully, you can do it. You can change the color according to your needs.
Marco, we have to teach you everything here. We have to
Alright, so that's there. We're going to need to do your index lights. So now... This goes to this.
What is step one in this process here?
Step one is to pull the existing stainless steel door down all the way to level. You'll see that there are 2 holes, one here and one on this side.
Okay.
This mechanism requires that you place a pin in each side, like this. It's a very simple process. Place one here. There's no need to hammer it or anything else. It just has to hold the position.
It basically holds the hinge open?
Correct. Literally, it's holding the hinge open. And then you simply lift the door up and pull it out. So, up and out.
There it
Very
goes.
simple.
Very simple.
You have a complete door mechanism, and what this does is allows you to put it back in as simply as we did, and I'll show you that in a second with the red door.
All right. Now that door, that is not a skin, that is an entire whole door. Okay. Okay.
So this one's going to go inside the hole the same way. There you go. Yep. Put that one in.
Oh, and it popped there.
And you remove the 2 pins. As we put them in, but you remove them the same way. Very simply. And then you lift the door up. And it's
Oh
done.
my goodness.
It's a very simple process. This allows you to replace the door back and forth as often as you want. It's clearly a very simple process.
And it looked like there was just 2 screws holding on the toe kick, right?
That's it. There's actually 3, one on each side and one in the center.
Okay.
So we'll remove those and replace the toe kick with the red. So now we're going to...
So we've got a T15 Torx bit, you said?
Yep, T15 Torx bit. There are 3 of them across here, so we're going to take out each of them. 2. The other one, put it back on. Into the hole, yeah. And that can go on both sides. Let's see here. Like that. Is it in that side? Yep.
Oh, so that, what is that resting on right
It
now?
actually goes in. There's a little hole in the bottom to help position it.
Okay.
Two. Bingo.
Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.